Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, come back with me, Egana Damaulinda, with NIM Blank 1. Okay, I'm here to fulfill the assignment of the English Mathematics course which will explain the material about ellipse. Happy watching! Okay, in this material, I will explain something related to ellipse. The first is discovery of the ellipse. The second is definition of ellipse. The third is characteristic of an ellipse. The fourth is tables of ellipse. And the last is vocabularies on the ellipse. Okay, the first is discovery of the ellipse. Before I explain, I would like to ask all of you, does everyone know who invented the ellipse? Okay, the elliptical shapes was discovered by a Greek mathematician named. The name is Manishmun. Is 300 BC. The elliptical shapes was named by Apollonius in his book Conics around 100 BC. Okay, the next material is about definition of ellipse. Do you all know what an ellipse is? Okay, an ellipse is two-dimensional shapes that is less an oval or flattened scissor. An ellipse is formed when a cone is cut by a flat plane. Okay, the next material is characteristics of an ellipse. There are several characters possessed by ellipse. Okay, the first is has two focal points that do not move. So, the sum of the distance from both focal points to all points on the ellipse is always constant. Okay, so has an eccentricity of less than 1. So, has two axes, namely the major axis and the minor axis. Okay, and last has the general equation is ax quadratic plus by quadratic plus cx plus dy plus e equation 0. Okay, next, there are several types of ellipse. Types of ellipse is, the first is vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse is which is an ellipse whose major axis is vertical. So, plus is horizontal ellipse. Horizontal ellipse is an ellipse whose major axis is horizontal. Okay, the next material is ellipse formula. Ellipse have area and perimeter formulas. The first is area of an ellipse. Area of an ellipse is P times A times B. Okay, the second is perimeter. The perimeter of an ellipse is calculated using an approximation formula because it is difficult to calculate it exactly. Okay, the next material is ellipse equation. Right now, I will explain about ellipse equation. Ellipse equations have several forms depending on the orientation and position of the center. The general form of an elliptic equation is x mean h quadratic per a quadratic plus y mean q quadratic per b quadratic equation 1. Okay, where h or q is the center of the ellipse. A is half the major axis and B is half the minor axis. if the center of the ellipse is at 0 or 0, then the equation of the ellipse becomes x quadratic per a quadratic plus y quadratic per b quadratic equals 1. Okay, ellipse equation. An ellipse with center at 0 or 0 and major axis on the x-axis. The first is equation is x quadratic per a quadratic plus x quadratic per a quadratic equals 1. The second is center is 0 or 0. The third is major is x-axis. The fourth is minor is y-axis. So peak is a0. So the focal point is c quadratic equals a quadratic mean b quadratic. Okay, the next is an ellipse with center at 0, 0 and major axis on the y-axis. The first is equation. Equation is x quadratic per b quadratic plus x quadratic per b quadratic equals 1. So the second is center. The center is 0 or 0. Next the minor is x-axis and the major is y-axis. So the peak is a and the last focal point is c quadratic equals a quadratic mean b quadratic. Okay, the next material equation ellipse is an ellipse with center at h or t and major parallel axis to x-axis. The first is equation. The equation is x mean h quadratic per a quadratic plus y mean p quadratic per b quadratic equals 1. Second is center is h or t. Next, the major is parallel axis. Next, the minor is parallel y-axis. Next, the peak is h, a, k. So the last is focal point is c quadratic equals a quadratic mean b quadratic. Okay, the next equation ellipse is an ellipse with center at h or t and major axis parallel on the y-axis. The first is equation. The equation is x mean h quadratic per a quadratic plus y mean k quadratic per b quadratic equals 1. So the second is center is h or t. The next is major is parallel y-axis. Next the minor is parallel x-axis. So the next is peak h or t a. So the last is focal point is c quadratic equals a quadratic mean b quadratic. Okay, the last material is vocabularies of ellipse. There are several vocabularies that ellipse has. The first is titik fokus. The English is focal point. So the second is directress. The English is directress. So puncak ellipse. The English is the peak of the ellipse. So the fourth is sumbu symmetry. The English is axis of symmetry. So tali busur. The English is bowstring. So lotus leuchtturm. The English is lotus leuchtturm. And the last is jari-jari fokus. The English is focal radius. Okay, maybe that's the only material I can convey. If there are shortcomings, I apologize. Hopefully this video is usable for all of us. Thank you for watching my video. See you everyone. And last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.